We usually say that driving is therapeutic and it relieves stress. But what are the things or the factors zenye zinafanyanga hiyo driving ikuwe therapeutic? Do feel ni kama inakwanga therapy? Well, one of the things inakwanga open roads, barabara ikiwa open vizuri, you just don't have stress on the road, ati magari mingi zinakupea stress and all that. But for me, one of the things zenye zinafanyanga ikuwe therapeutic ni music, the music that you put when you drive. Ina depend na ile mood yenye unakuanga on. You can put amapiano for just chill and vibes, but for me I put gospel trap, Christian hip hop, kina Lacrae, kina Tedashi and maybe kina KB. You see, hizo ngoma zinakupea hiyo hype and the mood tu ya kudrive fiti, like it triggers something in your body while you drive, like unajisikia, you see. Yeah, ngoma ka hizo kuna wase najua hata wajui hizi ni ngoma gani, but yeah, things like that. I hope you're enjoying and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. What you have to do is you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, bye bye for now.